The title of this video should be, why am I such a fucking slob? Welcome back to my channel, friends. Hello, long time no see. I am down in my beauty room tonight and I thought, why not film a little clean with me? It's been a minute since I've even filmed a video, much less clean this room. When I flip this camera around, you're going to be disappointed in me, disgusted with me, and hopefully you're excited because it's going to be a satisfying video because we're going to get this room clean. I actually have a girlfriend coming over tomorrow and I am embarrassed at what this room looks like. I have been neglecting it so bad because I've just been so busy lately and I just haven't had the time, and it is rough. It's rough. So let's turn it around. Let me show you guys what we're working with. If you want to unsubscribe now, I will not blame you because this is absolutely gross. I literally have makeup, clothes, stuff. This is like a whole pile of just clothes. Stuff over here, a lot of stuff over here. Like, what is this? What is this? It's not cute. Sponges, all of the things. And let's not even talk about my filming area because this is just, it's bad. It's bad. It's all so bad, and I need to clean this because my brain just can't function with this space. I need some organization. I need some cleanup happening. I have room for everything in here. I don't know why I can't just put things away. I simply just can't. I can't be bothered. So today we're gonna clean it all up. I'm probably gonna do like some sort of time lapse on this because I just can't sit here and like talk throughout the entire thing, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys things as I go along. So I'm kind of just sitting here like, what do I start with first? Because honestly, I just like don't even know where to start. I'm leaning towards this area just because it's like the biggest mess. A lot of that stuff on the ground is just like new stuff that I haven't had time to put away. I know I had it originally in a tub and then I needed the tub for something, so I like dumped it all out on the ground. So I'm thinking that's a good place to start, is like this area down here. Try to put some of that stuff away and then I can kind of go from there. Also, these floors are disgusting. Like, they need to be vacuumed so bad. It's just bad. I'm thinking I'm going to start in piles here and kind of just work with that stuff. So everything that I'm going to be getting rid of, I'll kind of put in this bag here because I am going to get rid of this bag. I think it's cute, but like I just don't know when I'll use it. It's from Buff Bunny. It's like a furry Sherpa bag. So I am going to like give this away to someone. So I kind of figured I could put all of the giveaway stuff like in there because, you know, a lot of this stuff is stuff that I'm going to be giving away, and then also like some of it's new stuff that I need to try out as well. So yeah, I just need to kind of take all this stuff and put it away. So I'm just going to kind of start throwing stuff in here that I am going to be giving away, and then anything that I want to like keep for myself I'm going to put in a separate pile. I don't think I have this from Tatcha. This is Texture Tonic. Tatcha is one of my favorite skincare brands. I honestly love so much of their stuff, and every single time that I get new skincare from them, I feel like I fall in love with another product every single time. Collection that I was so excited to film with, and I just left it down here. This is the Grease Revolution collection, which I thought was so cute. It has like a ton of stuff to it. There's sponges a part of this collection, and I'm just leaving this sitting here. Like, what am I thinking? Look at how cute. It has makeup brushes. There's like eyeshadow palettes. And I think I got this like so long ago. I don't even know if you guys would even want to see it. I probably wouldn't do it on YouTube, but maybe like a cute little shorts with it or something. There's some cream products. Let me know if you guys want to see this or not, because apparently I was just leaving it down here. This whole area right here is a bunch of like new stuff that I still need to try, and then all of this is also like new PR. So I used to have it super organized, and I still have it kind of organized in these drawers, but it's not as nice as it used to be. So this is pretty much like all the new stuff that I want to try out, and I have it categorized by like lips, eyes, skincare, that sort of thing. So I want to get back into that. And then also this drawer right here is for my giveaway stuff. So as you can tell, it's pretty bare. That's because I just did a holiday giveaway over on my Instagram. And so I need to fill that back up. So all that stuff I was putting in that bag, I can put in here to fill back up. Also, whenever I have friends coming over, I always tell them to like go shopping. So since she's coming over tomorrow, I'm gonna fill this up for her too, so she can pick anything that she wants out of there. So I'm just gonna kind of go through here and put some of this new stuff that I want to try still. This Too Faced palette looks so pretty. This is Better Than Chocolate palette. I haven't tried that one, and I also have this Too Faced one that I haven't tried yet either. This is the maple syrup one. So both of those I want to give a try because I do really like Too Faced's palettes. I also have this brown mascara from them that I've been dying to try. I've almost purchased it like 3 times, but I'm like, you don't need another mascara, Molly. And then they sent it my way, so I definitely want to try that. So that's been on like my wants list forever. So yeah, just a bunch of stuff in here. I have some Laneige skincare. Let's see what else I have. Some Shiseido products. Their stuff is really nice. So just some stuff that I want to try out. So I'm going to put all that in here. And then anything that I'm going to be giving away, I'm going to put down in this bottom bin here as well. Finding so many hair clips in here. If you haven't seen this before, I've shared it a bunch on my TikTok, but it's like a hair clip organizer, and it is so helpful to just clip all of your hair clips on it. I used to have it super organized. I don't know that I'm gonna sit there and organize it that much, but whenever you need a hair clip, you can just grab one on here. I need to get back in the habit of having this organized because it's so nice when it is. Look at how pretty this gloss is from Kiko Milano. Ooh, I need to try that. They gave me a like a advent calendar with a bunch of their products in it, and I've really never tried anything from the brand, so that was really fun to get. So I want to try all this stuff for sure because it looks so nice. Ooh, look at that one. I didn't even see this one. This is like a sparkly lip. That is definitely going to be a Instagram video. The fact that I can see the top of this desk right now is so satisfying. This has been messy for so long. Have you guys seen this hairbrush going around on TikTok? It's the Unbrush. I keep seeing everyone talk about it, and I finally got one. Yet to try it out yet, but I'm excited to try it. Let me know if you guys have down below. It's like so light and it looks so interesting. It like feels like a kid's hairbrush. My desk. I'm so excited. I haven't had this cleaned in so long, so really excited. It's still a little cluttered, but I feel like it's okay. I have these lip products out to try right here. Some foundation, some setting sprays that I always use. I'm just keeping right here, but it's nice to like see it clean. I don't have time to like wipe it down or anything. It's getting pretty late, and I've been down here at it for hours, but little pan over so you guys can see. I need to vacuum really badly, but we got this cleaned off. I kind of want to organize these more, but that is a task for another day. And then over here, Still need to clean off the couch, but we made a lot of progress on the floor, and then over here is still like a little bit messy, but I think I'm gonna do a quick little tidy over, and then I will show you guys the end of the room. I feel like I've been down here, I don't even know, I don't have my watch on, but I feel like it's been like at least 2.5 hours, so this has taken me a hot second, but I feel like it's as good as it's gonna get for tonight. I am like exhausted at this point. I've been up since 4 a.m, hence the Celsius. Been up since 4 a.m. I'm also getting up at 4 a.m. tomorrow, so like I need to be done. It's like 10 o'clock right now, so let me show you guys the finished room. Like I said, still need to tidy up a few things. I want to really organize my shoe shelf. I want to fix a little bit more in my filming area, and then like my skincare shelf could use like a revamp. Just like some little shelving issues that I feel like could just use a little bit of help, but the floor is clean. You can see the floor. I feel like that is the progress. That is the main progress. And I was able to organize a lot of that like giveaway makeup and all the stuff I needed to try. I found stuff that I didn't even know I had in there, so that's always a good thing as well. So I feel like it was a successful time. So one last pan of the room before we finish this vlog style clean with me, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm so glad I was able to film this for you, although it did take me longer, of course, while doing it. I feel like it was worth it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye, friends. One last pan through of the room. So we've got a clean floor. My couch is all nice over here. Skincare shelf needs a little help, but that's okay. This area got messy again, but cleaner than it was. Got this area over here all cleaned up, and then of course my filming area is also nice and clean. So happy this room is a little bit more organized.